Hi viewers, welcome to Pebbles. In this video I am going to show you how to make a designer earring using drop shape base. Okay, let's start. Take a drop shape base, apply glue on it. I have taken here blue color thread, 30 to 35 strands of thread. Paste it on the base and wrap it all over the base. Wrap it tightly by pulling the thread. So that the thread will not come out. I have wrapped almost. Now, after wrapping, apply a glue, paste it and cut the extra thread. Again paste it by apply some more glue. And now apply a glue at the corner. And now paste white color stone chain at the center. After pasting, cut at the end. Now paste it tightly by pressing. At the corner, apply a glue all over the earring. And paste white color stone chain all over. Now, after pasting, at the end cut it and paste by pressing. And now after pasting, adjust it. Now at the center bottom, again apply a glue at the center all over the earring and paste blue color ball chain. After pasting, adjust it and cut at the end and paste it. Now at the bottom center, apply a glue and paste white color stone, medium size stone. And now take a canvas and apply a glue at the center and paste white color half pearl, big size pearl, and around that paste blue color ball chain. At the end cut it and paste it. Now again around the ball chain, again apply a glue and paste white color stone chain. After pasting, cut the extra chain and paste it. Now take another canvas, apply a glue and paste them together. Now again take another canvas and cut it. perfectly. Now I have two plain canvas. In that canvas, insert a stud. Apply glue on the top. And paste it on back side. And now insert the stud into a earring. And now earring is ready now. You can also try this. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe Pebbles.